Hello.
Hi, brother. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm always good for you because you are as a motivator for me, and you are as a lots of student who want to learn English. They also subscribe your channel and they also want to learn through your videos. That's why I'm really glad to see you again.
Okay,
So
thank you very much, brother. See, I'm also beginner. I'm also learning from your side, and I'm also learning from stranger.
okay,
So I'm not like motivate of people, brother. Seriously, I'm also
no.
beginner. Okay?
I'm not telling about for only for motivation. I'm telling about that you are doing such types of work that is really motivation for lots of students who want to learn, who want to get confident in English. That's why we like follow some channel that is really helpful. Lots of stuff who want to learn and who get in beginner who get fluency
Yes.
in English. That's why we follow some basic rule through by your videos, through by lots of English channel videos that is really helpful for lots of students in my point of view.
Yes.
So, brother, can you share me about something about yourself and share me something about your YouTube journey?
Okay. First thing, like my name is Sameer, and thank you very
Yeah.
much for giving me opportunity. First thing, okay, like I'm going to share with you my introduction and my journey about my YouTube, everything. Okay, don't worry.
Yes,
So,
brother.
by
Yeah.
the way, my name is Sameer, and I belong to Mumbai. And nowadays, I'm preparing my interview. I'm searching a job, and I'm learning English language also. And it's a long time ago, brother. We can say like 5 to 6 months ago, I was using a Camly. So that moment over there,
Mm-hmm.
I decided to start my YouTube journey because I saw many videos. Then I started and continuously, brother. We can say right now I'm passionate about making a video, learn something about
Okay.
English language. So every day try to make a new video, new content, new story, and I love to communication with stranger people. And always I prefer to communication, brother. Always I prefer to. Doesn't
Yeah.
matter
Yeah.
video, audio calling. So always I try to learn from stranger people. So this kind of
Okay.
journey, brother, I started my YouTube channel, and still
Okay.
now, like I'm working, and you don't believe me, I uploaded 100 video over there, 100 plus video. I don't know
Yeah.
what
Yeah. Actually, I
number
also
that is.
subscribe your channel and I also
Yes,
gain some knowledge through your videos, and it is really helpful. Lots of friends, lots of students who want to gain in English language, how to speak, how to get fluency, how to get confidence. That is
yes,
why, and at least why I'm also working on same way because I also sharing through my videos that everyone can capable in English language because it is as a language we are talking about our native language. We can't face any difficulty. Like same, we are talking in English. There is no difficult situation we are facing because we have some potential about how to speak.
yes, right.
Yeah,
Even brother, I talk many people. Maybe you know very well, like one of like Vishnu Bhadwa sir. Then
yeah,
second one like Arif Auto, maybe you know, and
yeah,
third one we can say Anand, and fourth one
yeah,
like Indro Iconic, like that. So
yeah.
I talk. It's remaining to Anand and in Indrajit. I think Iconic
Yes,
Indrajit.
yes,
Okay, so
yeah,
people also like trying to make a video, and seriously they are helping a people like about
yeah.
English language. Whoever
Mm-hmm.
beginner, they try to like just help people about communication, how to learn, how to understand, how to talk. Even especially Arifato, I love it. Whenever he upload a
Yeah.
video
Okay.
on YouTube channel, always I watch his video and I learn also. Seriously, I
Okay.
remember that my YouTube journey, I started my English language from his video.
Okay.
I
Okay. Fine.
I like, yeah, he's my
And
ideal brother. Yeah, we
okay.
can say.
Okay. You also mention your videos also that Arif is a
Yeah.
idol for you. because Arif also as a motivator for me also, because when he starts speaking and he suddenly he start calling me on Skype, and after that I am really think that who called me, and
Yes.
I'm nervous on that time, and that video give me motivation, and that video he upload his channel. He share me lots of thing, and I'm happy that he uh, you know um, talk with me on that time. That's why I'm here. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to lots of stranger people like all over the world. Also, I'm talk with I have channel very well, and that channel have uh, three or five foreign countries people also. I talk with them, and because it is really good for me. It's really good for everyone who want to learn. They also, observe how we communicate all over the world people.
Yeah.
Like you are from, you are from Mumbai, but I'm in West Bengal, but we can communicate through this
Yes.
English language, because this is essential language. It's really
Yeah.
helpful for lots of people, lots of students, and this is no doubt it's a great language, we can say.
Yeah, absolutely, brother. Even nowadays people are trying to take a subscription on Camly. You know,
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
what's your opinion, brother? What's your opinion? Is this like a right way? I mean, about English
Eh, eh,
language?
Okay,
We take,
okay.
yeah,
Yeah, but Cambly as a dream for me also. I want to talk with foreign tutor. It is as a dream, but it is not good that you can learn through this Cambly. It's I'm not believe on that section, because it is really costable. It is really you know expensive for who want to learn as a beginner. I observe for myself that it is really not helpful for beginner student and beginner level speaker, and it's really helpful for who want to learn, who want to get confident in English. In they got intermediate level, maybe they feel happy when he talk with foreign tutor, when they talk in any family tutor. It's my opinion. I observe that, but it is also my dream that I want to talk with foreign tutor. It's one time. It's my opinion, and it may be lots of student, lots of aspirant want to talk with foreign tutor, because this is really uh, special, because they are from foreign country. This is the main reason they also want to talk. Yes.
over
Yeah.
there we can say like we will never get a translation. But if you talk about money, it's so expensive. Seriously, because I was using a Camry. I paid
Yes.
the
Yes. Yes.
6,000.
I know.
It's
I
huge
know.
of a big, yeah. And second
Yes.
thing, brother, like over there, just improvement. We can say like if you beginner, so it's not suitable for you. This is my
Mm-hmm.
opinion, brother, because I realized I took experience over
Yes.
there. They have a just a limited time, like limited reservation. We
Mhm.
can say like only for 50. Just assume that no anyone learn within a 15 minutes about English language a month
Yes.
and 2 months.
Yes. Yes.
Right now, we can. I'm preparing. I'm learning. Like since approximately 6 to 7 months has gone, but still now I'm learning. Okay,
Yes.
I don't know
Yes.
how to talk or how to understand. I don't know, but I'm trying. I'm learning. So, brother, whoever taking a subscription on Camly, a 1 month plan. So, is it possible to learn a English language over there?
No, in my point of
Yeah.
view, it's really difficult to while talking to foreign tutor on Cambly, it's really difficult to learn as a language. But we are, capable. We are capable on Skype, and because the reason we are practicing every day for uh, many, students, many aspirants, and many upcoming young generation who want to learn. We can focus on it. That's why we can do it.
Yes, yes.
This is the
And
main reason. Mm.
second thing also, like nowadays I'm hearing, and even I saw many videos about related to clapping. Or maybe you know very
Yeah.
well, I think.
Yes.
Clapping.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So is this also benefit for about English language, like connect with a native tutor? Is it perfect, this application for
Uh,
beginners?
Actually, I'm not, using, but I heard that maybe usable for while I compare to Cambly or Clappingo, maybe usable
Yes.
because it's not too much costly and it is also Indian and it is
Yes.
really helpful for who get confident while talking to unknown fan. Maybe it's helpful. It's my recommendation. I don't know
Yes.
because I am not using such types of application, but I am still using Skype and still talking to on audio call. And this is my observation. This is my strength nowadays. And I'm happy to talk with you. I'm happy to Arif. I'm happy to Anil. Like
Yeah.
they are also working as the same platform, but they are
Yes.
motivating lots of students. And that is really need for in India, basically for India.
Yeah. Right. Absolutely right, brother.
And we gain some knowledge about we are belong from village area and we are village from town area. It doesn't matter, but we have capability, we have some you know courage, then
Yes. Yes.
nothing is impossible in my point of view.
Yeah. Absolutely. See, like nothing is possible. Everything is possible, we can say. You know.
Yeah.
But first thing, we have to choose a good way. We have to
Yes.
think
Yes.
about, like especially we are learning a language, any kind of language. If we are
Yes.
learning, we have to give a time, proper time. No anyone learn in a short period, any shortcut, any grammar rules, anything, nothing. If you
Yeah.
practice more, then you will gain your knowledge, you will get idea, you will get a fluency. So
Okay.
practice more. If you get
Okay.
a more, then you will produce more like things. Listening is
Yeah.
very important, and speaking
Yes.
is
Yes.
also.
Then you can share me something about, you already told me in this video, but you can share me something important point. Then people also get learn through this video that is really helpful through by your mouth. So what
Okay.
is the way people can learn only English language?
So first thing, like see, I'm talking about first thing. For example, if you passion any kind of language,
Yes.
then just try to give 100%. For example,
Okay.
like you don't know speak proper, like you are just speaking breaking. We can say broken English language. Just assume that. So
Mm-hmm.
don't give up. Don't hesitate. Don't fear. Just
Yeah.
speak properly, and whoever mocking with you, like kidding with you, funning with you, laughing on you, just
Mm-hmm.
avoid those
Yeah.
and talk to you, like easily. Just accept,
Mm.
like this is a mother tongue language.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
passion about, then you can achieve. See,
Yeah.
we are learning a language, so obviously we can do a mistake. Doesn't matter mistake. First thing, it's very important to you are speaking, you are understanding,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
whatever requirement, just get opportunity, just take
Okay.
opportunity. Don't fear, like don't
Okay.
think about, if I go over there, if I speak over there, people will judge me, people will laugh me, people will, like
Okay.
laughing on in front of people. Doesn't
Okay.
matter, just avoid those people. Then you will get the idea, you will get a fluency, you will get a, like
Yes.
become a master on English language, because
Yeah.
this is a secondary language, not a first, like primary.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I can tell, like my mother tongue language is Hindi, but I can
Yeah.
speak proper. I'm a master on English Hindi language.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
Because I talk childhood to adult. So if I do mistake my mother tongue language, no anyone judge, no anyone correct me, no anyone tell me reply like you're speaking wrong
Yes.
and right. Nothing. Everyone understanding my voice, what I'm trying to tell you. You
Yes.
know.
Yes.
preparing English language, if you are learning, so just
Mm-hmm.
try. If you understand, it's okay. Just try to understand, try to like listen more and try to speak more. Like if you do mistake, it's okay. Just avoid. Then try to learn your mistake, like where I'm doing a
Yeah.
mistake.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
if it's confused, if you feel too shy and low confidence and hesitation, before do that, just record yourself like video, audio, whatever you prefer to.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
practice more, practice, give a time to yourself, like talk to yourself, to
Mm-hmm.
spend like just to choose a one particular topic, we can say, like about myself, about anything like job, career,
Yes. Yes.
anything. Just choose one particular topic and talk to yourself like whenever you free time. Talk to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then you can improve yourself. You will able to talk in front of people because you are preparing, you are practice, you are
Yes,
practice
brother.
more
Yes.
and more. So depend on your struggle, brother. If you practice
Mm-hmm.
more and more, if you avoid negative people, then you will be master on English language.
Okay. Okay.
But
Okay.
English is kind of language, brother. So
Yeah.
always I suggest whoever beginner, avoid the negative things. Avoid negative things. Just
Yeah.
try to speak more, try to learn more, try to listen more, and try to watch more. Yeah,
Okay.
this is my theory, brother. This is my opinion. Like always try to speak more and more. Doesn't matter if you speak right and wrong. Like
Okay.
do mistake. It's okay. This is just a mistake, not a big issue. After all,
Yeah.
we are human. We can do mistake. You know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is what
Absolutely.
this.
Absolutely. Yeah. I'm
And
happy.
second, I'm going to tell you one thing also important, brother. Like I remember that I saw one of
Mm-hmm.
video over there.
Okay.
What happens? One of foreigner, one of guy, he belonged to foreign, like he was British country, we can say, and
Okay.
suddenly he came in India, and
Mm-hmm.
he was trying to speak a Hindi language.
Okay.
You know,
Mm-hmm.
then he made a many mistake. No anyone laughing
Yeah.
on him. Everyone
Yeah.
correcting his brother. You should
Yeah.
talk like that, like this. Okay, but he can
Yes.
speak.
Yes.
He was trying to, give 100% about
Yeah.
Hindi language. He
Mm-hmm.
never feel to like hesitation and fear, and like he never think about if I do mistake, what people try to tell me.
Yeah.
So
Absolutely.
yeah, so always just try is good
Yeah.
option to do something, then you will get answer yourself.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I'm also motivated to you. I'm so happy to talk with you because it may be lengthy day by day,
Yes.
and
Yes.
maybe it's enough for our conversation. And maybe we have a time, then we will definitely talk again. If you have a time, definitely we talk to each other.
Yes, sometime it's okay,
It's
brother.
my goodness, and you are able to talk with me. You are, investing your time to me. This is really happy moment for me, and I'm really thankful for you and that you spend your time to talk with me.
Okay.
And thank you for appreciation, and thank you for participate to me and stay fit. And I always pray for you, and it's more my opinion. And stay talk with new friends. I'm always pray for you, and you will be a good speaker in future. And it's happy moment for me also. And
Yes.
okay, brother, let's talk another time. If you have
Yeah.
time, then we can definitely talk. Okay, bye bye.